Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Roshain more reviews. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. Alright, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. And definitely like this video, share and comment as well. And hope everyone is staying safe during this, virus outbreak, the big C. Hope everyone is staying sanitized and staying home, staying safe. But the videos have to go on, guys. So we're here in Stanton Terrace. This is McKinley Drive. This brings you down to the National Stadium. So we're here with a video update. We did a review of an apartment complex about 6 months ago. We haven't done any updates, so today is an update video. You're probably wondering which apartment complex. It's right here. So that's the apartment complex we're going to take a closer look on. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Watch to the end, leave your comments. Remember to like and share, and definitely stay safe as well. Alright, so this is a closer look on the apartment complex. It's on Fairway Avenue. Alright, so just showing you guys around the area before I get closer to the apartment complex. Alright, so just came off Old Oak Road. This is now Fairway Avenue. This is the apartment complex. A very unique design with the wood finishing. Definitely share your thoughts, guys, in terms of what you think about the design, the color scheme, the wood finishing as well. I think most of the work is finished. There's just been some finished touches. So we see they're working on the perimeter wall, the guard room. So this is Fairway Avenue, Stanton Terrace. I'll put the link in the description and in the comment for the first video I did here when it just started. So we're seeing that it's 4 floors with some underground parking. Alright, so right beside it as well, we see there is a very rundown property. Not sure what's the plan for that property over there. And again, guys, remember to share your thoughts, share your views, share the video as well. I think they're almost finished with their construction. A very upscale neighborhood, so what I'll do, I'll take a walk around that corner and show you guys some other minor developments that's happening as well on Fairway Avenue. So this is a closer look. I think some of the amenities will include rooftop pool as well. So not sure of the name of this apartment, I can double check. anyone of you guys in the comment know the name and some more details like the amenities, you can definitely comment and let me know. Then this is the side and back view. So we're just checking out some other properties on Fairway Avenue, an upscale community with some properties that probably need to be repurposed or redeveloped. So that's the apartment complex we're just leaving from. Just taking a little walking tour with you guys. So this is one of the construction of Fairway Avenue. It says restoration project, Golden Triangle. Somebody stated that it's gonna be an embassy, so I'm not sure. We see ISA Construction is the group. So this project has been under development for a while. It's a very big land space. We will also check out that land over there. It has been a vacant land for years. Not sure if they're planning on using it up now. So again guys, Fairway Avenue. So again, not sure what this redevelopment or restoration project is, but someone said it's an embassy building. As usual, if any of you guys know, definitely share. So over here is the massive piece of empty land. I'm not sure who's the owner, but it hasn't been developed for years. Well, there have never been any construction on it. I'm seeing some activity on it now. I know sometimes they use it for driving schools use it to practice, parallel parking and stuff like that. Even if we look over there now, there is a driving school. Let me try zoom in. So they use cones and use persons and help persons to practice their parallel parking, their reversing. So that's one driving school vehicle over there. So I know this intersection was recently renovated, resurfaced. So I'm not sure if that's the reason why the dirt is over there and the trucks are over there. But I'm hoping that there can be some development real soon, because it's a very big piece of land. It is a prime location as well. It's in the Golden Triangle, so I know anything that comes here will be a winner. Whether it's an apartment, whether it's an industrial complex, anything. It's a very central area. So this is about it guys, Fairway Avenue, Golden Triangle, just showing you guys a little bit of what's happening, and also that update on the apartment complex that we looked on earlier. Remember to leave your thoughts, leave your comments, and definitely remember to share so that more persons can see. And if you're new, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Sorry for the wind noise, and definitely stay safe guys. Maintain your social distancing, and I'll see you in another video, and thanks for watching.